welcome in maths class. So today we do our exercise number 5.5. This is the last exercise of that chapter. Okay. So this is the word problem exercise. In this exercise there are word problem is given. We will solve these word problem. So the question number 1 is, if 85 passengers can sit in one compartment of a train, then how many passengers can sit in 14 such compartments? The question is there, in a train in one compartment, it means एक बोगी में how many passenger? 85 passenger can sit. 85 passengers वन कंपार्टमेंट में बैठ सकते हैं. सो हाउ मेनी पैसेंजर्स कैन सिट इन 14 सच कंपार्टमेंट? तो 14 कंपार्टमेंट्स में कितने पैसेंजर्स बैठ सकते हैं? क्लियर? सो दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट वी डू हियर इज the given number of the passenger of given in one compartment. We will find here the more. Clear? And we know very well when the value of 1 is given and we will find more, we do the multiplication. क्वेश्चन ये है आपका, एक कंपार्टमेंट में 85 पैसेंजर्स हैं, तो 14 कंपार्टमेंट्स में कितने पैसेंजर्स होंगे? ज़्यादा होंगे. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी डू. First we write the statement, passengers can sit in one compartment, that is 85. Now passengers can sit in 14 compartments. So we will find more here, number of the passenger. So 85 number of the passengers multiply by number of the compartments. Clear? And we know very well how we do the multiplication. First we write the places, ones, tens and 100. Now write it's 85, then multiply by 40. Clear? Now 4 5s are 20. We write 4 5s are 20. So we write 0 here, 2 as carry. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2, it's 34. Write according to the places, it's 34. 4 5s are 20, we write 0, 2 as carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2, it's 34. Now we will multiply 85 by 1. We know very well when we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. 1 5s are 5 and 1 8s are 8. Clear? After that we will add both the numbers. Clear? 0, 4 plus 5 equal to 9, 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So how many passengers are there in 14 compartments? So we will write here. So 1119 passengers can sit in 14 compartments. Clear? 14 compartments. Clear, student? That is your question number 1. We write passengers can sit in one compartment, that is 85. Passengers can sit in 14 compartments. So we will do multiply. After multiply, so how many people can sit? It's 1190. So 1190 passengers can sit in 14 compartments. So you write this line here. After that your solution. Clear all of you? Now the question number 2 is here. That is the question number 2. The question number 2 is here. A carrot hold 45 oranges. How many oranges are there in 12 such carrots? Okay. So in one carrot there are how many oranges? एक box में कितनी oranges है? That is 45 oranges. So how many oranges in 12 such carrots? So 12 boxes में 12 carrots में कितनी oranges होंगी? So we will find here more. So let's see how we do. We write oranges is 1 carrot, that is 45. Oranges is 12. So 45 multiply by 12. We will multiply here. Here is the given value of the 1. We are finding here the more. So for more, what we do? We will multiply here. 45 multiply by 12. So write the place in ones, tens and 100. Then we will write here 45 multiply by 12. Clear? Now 2 5s are 10. we write 0 and 1 as carry. 2 4 ja 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. Now multiply 45 by 1, and we know when we multiply any number by 1, the number itself we get here. 1 5 are 5 and 1 4 ja 4. Now add both the numbers. It's 0. 9 plus 5 equal to 40. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Clear? So how many oranges are there? That is 540 oranges. So we will write here. So 540 oranges are there in 12 such. Clear? You write this line, after that your solution downside. Clear? So 540 oranges are there in 12 such carrots boxes. Clear all of you? That is your question number 2. Now the question number 3 is here. A boat can carry 48 people. How many people can 17 such boats carry? Clear? So the question is here. एक बोट में 48 पीपल जा सकते हैं. एक बोट 48 पीपल को लेके जा सकती है. तो 17 बोट्स कितने पीपल्स को, कितने लोगों को लेकर जा सकती है? क्लियर? अ बोट कैन कैरी 48 पीपल्स. एक बोट में 48 पीपल जा सकते हैं. तो 17 बोट में कितने पीपल जा सकते हैं? सो for 17 boat, only in one boat there are 48 people. So in 17 boat there are number of the more peoples. So what we do here, we do the multiplication here. So we write the statement like that. A boat can carry people, that is 48. 17 boat can carry peoples. So 48 multiplied by 17. Clear? So first we write the places, ones, tens and 100. Then we will write here number of the people and multiply by number of the boat. Clear? So 8 7 ja 56, or you can say this 7 8 ja 56. Clear? So we write 6 here, 5 as carry. 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. Clear? 7 8 ja 56. We write 6 here. 5 as carry. 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. Now multiply by 1. We know very well. 1 8 ja 8 and 1 4 ja 4. Now add both the numbers. Here is 6. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So we write 1 here, 1 is carry. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Clear? So how many people can carry in 17 boat? That is 860. Clear? So you write here. So how many people can 17 such boats carry? So 17 boats can carry 816 peoples. Clear? So 17 boats can carry its 816 people. That is your question number 3. Now the question number 4 of exercise 5.5. A sheet of stickers consists of 65 stickers. How many stickers are there in 30 sheets? It means the question is there. एक sheet पर कितने stickers हैं? That is 65. You know the page of a sheet and there are many stickers. So in one sheet, how many stickers are there? That is 65 stickers on a sheet. So how many stickers are there in 30 sheets? If you have 30 sheets, so how many total stickers are there in 30 sheets? So there are more stickers in one sheet. There are 65, and in 30 sheets there are more stickers. So for this, what we do? We do the multiplication. Clear? We add now like that 65 in one page, 65 in second page, 65 in third, 65 in four, like that. Clear? So repetition of your addition, it is converted into your multiplication. Clear? So we multiply here the number of the stickers multiply by the number of the sheets. Clear? Now write the places first, ones, tens and hundred. After that you write here the number of the stickers multiply by the number of the sheets. 65 multiplied by 0. We know very well beta, when we multiply any number by 0, we get the 0. So here 1 multiply, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0, 0. Now multiply by 3. 3 5s are 50, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 it's 19. Clear? Now add 0, 5, 9 and 1. So how many stickers are there? Number of the stickers are 1950 stickers are there in 30 sheets. So you write, so 1950 stickers are there in 30 sheets. That is your question number 4. In this way we will find then how many stickers in 30 sheets. There are 1950. In one sheet only 65 stickers, and in 30 sheets there are more. Clear? So it's 1950 stickers are there in 30 sheets. That is your question number 4. Now the question number 5 is here. An English book contains 340 pages. How many pages are there in 4 such English book? It means in your English book how many pages are there? There are 340 pages. आपकी English की book में कितने pages हैं? That is 340. Clear? So how many pages are there in 4 such English book? तो 4 books में total कितने pages होंगे? Clear? Again I am converted into in Hindi. An English book contain 340 pages. एक English की book में 340 pages हैं, तो 4 English book में कितने pages होंगे? एक में 340 है, so we are finding here 4. So we again add. Clear? So what we do? We do the multiplication. Addition means repeating of the addition. It means we will do the multiplication. So let's see how we do this question. First we write number of pages in one English book. You write number of pages in one English book. Here is given one English book. That is 340. Clear? Or you can write, say that English book contain pages, that is 340, and you can also write number of pages in one English book, and number of pages in 4 English book. Number of pages in 4 English book. Clear? Here the question is, we will find here 4 English book na, one is given, we will find the more. Clear? So what we do? We multiply number of the pages multiply by the number of the book. Number of the pages is 340 and number of the English book, that is 4. So we will multiply number of the pages multiply by the number of the book. Clear? Number of pages in one English book, that is 340. Number of pages in 4 English book, that is 340 multiplied by 4. Write the places ones, tens and hundred. Then it's 340. 340, write 1000 also. Multiply by 4. We will multiply here it by 4. So when we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. 4 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. 4 4 just 16, we write 6, 1 is carry. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 1, that is 30. Clear? Now, only 1 is given. There is no other number. So, when we multiply 340 multiply by 4, it's 1360 pages are there in 4 such books. So, you write, so 1360 pages are there in 4 English book. Clear all of you? That is your question number 5. This is all about your exercise number 5.5. In this exercise, there are 5 questions. Clear? And all questions are your word problem. First you read the question. After that, we will write the statement like that. And then we will write the places. And then we multiply number of the, like the English book. We will multiply number of the English book by number of the pages. Clear all of you? In question number first, when you solve in your notebook, first you write the question completely. After that you do your solution, and this part you write downside. After that your solution. Clear all of you?